Hello friends, today we are going to draw a cute and simple crab. First we will draw a oval shape in the center and then the eyes, legs and the claws. Remember, always draw a rough sketch with a pencil and then finalize with the marker. I have already drawn with the pencil. Do you know that crabs are water animals? And they have 10 legs. That's why they are also known as decapods. Deca means 10. The crabs can move in different directions, especially the sideways, which is also known as scuttling. They have a very hard shell which protects them and is called as exoskeleton. Crabs are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. If you like my videos, please click the like button and also share it with your friends. Do remember to erase the pencil lines after the marker and before coloring. Let's start the fun part, the coloring. Yay! I'm using red color, but you can also use any color of your liking. Coloring with darker color, brown shade, along the outlines to give it a shadow. Coloring shadow gives the work more depth. The painting becomes more 3D. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, please subscribe to my channel.